A flange looks like the simplest part of a pressure vessel, just a bolted ring. It's actually one of the most heavily recalculated components in the entire code, and in 2025, that calculation moved almost entirely out of Division 1. Welcome back to ASME Section 8 Division 1 in 5 minutes. Season 2, Episode 4, Flange Design Basics. Mandatory Appendix 2 governs bolted flange connections with ring-type gaskets, the standard flange and bolt circle you'll see on nearly every nozzle in manway. If your flange isn't built to a recognized dimensional standard already covered under UG 44, this appendix is where its design gets verified. Enough bolt area, enough flange strength, and a gasket that actually stays seated under both operating in bolt-up conditions. Here's the discovery worth knowing. In the 2025 edition, almost the entire calculation method got deleted from this appendix. Bolt loads, flange moment, flange stresses, allowable design stress, flange rigidity, all of it removed from Division 1's own text, and replaced with a direct instruction to use Section 8, Division 2, Part 4.16 instead. Division 1 didn't lose the ability to design flanges. It just stopped duplicating Division 2's more current methodology and pointed straight at it. If you've been hunting for the old bolt load formulas in this appendix, that's exactly why you can't find them anymore. This connects directly to Episode 1. The appendix itself explicitly says this cross-reference to Division 2 works in conjunction with Mandatory Appendix 46. Flanges have essentially become the standard, expected case of borrowing Division 2's design engine, rather than the exception. If Appendix 46 was the special tool for stubborn components, flange design in the 2025 edition shows where that pattern is heading for the rest of the code. Not everything moved, though. Materials still follow Division 1's own rules. Ferritic steel flanges thicker than 3 inches need heat treatment, full anneal, normalize, or quench and temper, and welding stays capped at 0.35% carbon for weldability. Postweld heat treatment on flange welds still follows this division's own UCS 56 rules from Season 1, Episode 6, not Division 2's. Materials and heat treatment stayed home. The stress and moment calculations are what moved.